Sincerely reply with good. Even when one's spouse demonstrates bad manners, a Muslim should not reply in kind, as this is not a sign of a true Muslim. Instead, they should fear Allah, the Exalted, and the consequences of bad manners, and demonstrate good manners towards their spouse. This will only elevate their status in this world and the next. And even the worst of people will eventually appreciate this reaction from someone, even if they do not show it. A Muslim should remember Allah, the Exalted, is watching them and will reward them in both worlds. When a Muslim treats their spouse kindly for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, then their reward is with Him. They should not seek compensation from their spouse. If one desires reward from Allah, the Exalted, they should act for His sake and only seek reward from Him, not others. This is an extremely important point many overlook. They treat their spouse kindly, expecting payment from them, when they should act for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, as He has commanded them to treat their spouse kindly. Whoever seeks reward from people will be told to gain reward from them on Judgment Day, which will not be possible. This is confirmed in a hadith found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 3154. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.